Yay! Welcome to Wellness Stock Shop. So you've got your Soulfully Social membership. I know you're so excited to dive in and start downloading photos and start beautifying your Instagram feed. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to access the exclusive Soulfully Social membership gallery. So first things first, you're going to want to log out and back into your account at wellnessstockshop.com. And I'm just going to go ahead and log in to show you. You'll notice that once you're logged in, it will actually have your name up here in the upper right hand corner of the menu. That's how you know you've actually been logged in. So once you're logged in, you're going to go to the shop drop down, click on Photo Store. That's going to bring you over to the main Photo Store library where you see all the galleries. You're going to head all the way to the bottom and you will see the Soulfully Social Members Gallery. So just a couple things to know. This is in alphabetical order, which makes it easy to locate this. This is an exclusive gallery that only appears if you are logged in with your active membership. So you won't see this if you're not properly logged in. So go ahead and click on the Soulfully Social Members Gallery. And here you see it looks a lot like the main photo store gallery, but this is exclusively for you with the Soulfully Social membership. So all of the photos inside this thoughtfully organized set of galleries is square cropped for your convenience, so you can just download and post it right away. So let me just go ahead and show you a sample so I can show you how to download these photos. So you can go through here and pick any photo you want. Once you see something you like, you'll see this little cloud with the down arrow. Just go ahead and click the download. It's going to go ahead and pop up and say whichever membership you're downloading with. I have the annual unlimited membership. You're going to have Soulfully Social. Just go ahead and click download and voila, you have the photo ready to post. So I also want to show you a couple of quick things if you want to stick around and see how to better use your membership. So first of all, you're going to see there's monthly sets over here. So these are the curated sets of photos. There's one for every day for an entire month, and these are actually lightly themed so that it kind of inspires your posts or your theme for the month. So let's go ahead and click on this healing one. You'll see all of the photos look absolutely beautiful together. So it just saves you so much more time and mental energy if you need some inspiration and you don't actually want to curate all of your posts. You can just click in here, mix and match. You can download all the photos in this gallery and you've got your posts for an entire month. Let's go back to the Soulfully Social Members Gallery. And the next thing I want to show you is you have access to this words gallery inside Soulfully Social. This is so awesome because there are pre-designed quotes for you. They're already done for you. You can just download these and post. And quotes are so awesome when you just don't know what to post about. And they also really are wonderful for prompting engagement. So definitely take advantage of those. We'll go back into the words and I want to show you there are also designer photo quotes, which are any sort of words or quotes that are designed over Wellness Stock Shop images. So those are super fun too. Let's go back to Soulfully Social, and the last thing I want to show you is this bonus resources. So that's where you're going to find the topic inspiration library, and especially what you'll be interested in most likely is the hashtag vault. So you can download this. It's a PDF file. It's just for you as a Soulfully Social member. I have gathered strategic hashtag sets that fit the themes of Wellness Stock Shop photos. So you can just copy and paste them into your post so you don't have to spend tons of time trying to find your own hashtags. Total time saver, and definitely be sure to post your hashtags. If you don't really know about hashtags, you're not very familiar, just know that you absolutely want to post hashtags with every single post on Instagram in order to get your post in front of more eyes. I'm here to help if you ever need me at hello@wellnessstockshop.com. Have fun!